Hello and namaste everyone. Once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Yograja. So today I will teach you some drills for advanced back bending, because there is no certain posture which can help you to increase your upper back flexibility or shoulder or rib cage. So what we have to do, increase our flexibility, we have to do lots of movement, stretching, contraction, then only muscles will increase the flexibility. So I had created some variation in the sun salutation, because when we are doing sun series, it have lots of movement, dynamic movement. So in that what happened, our body stretch, contract. So in that I had added some posture which directly will help you to increase your upper back, thoraxes, your rib cage, your shoulder joint. So for that you just need one chair and 2 or 4 blocks. So we get started. We start our warm-up standing. You have to first take a feet gap here. Inhale, raise both hands straight, look up. Exhale. Look at your toes. Inhale, look up, join your palm. Exhale. One more. Inhale, raise both hands straight, look up. And exhale, interlock your finger, toes up, stretch your shoulder joint. Inhale, interlock your finger. Now lift your toes up, stretch your shoulder, expand the rib cage, take your arms back and try to push your hip back. Exhale, interlock your finger, toes up, bend forward, stretch your shoulder and back. Inhale, interlock your finger, keep your both hands straight, take your hip back. Exhale, interlock your finger, press down, stretch your shoulder down. Okay, last 2. Inhale, interlock your finger, take your arms back, expand the rib cage. Exhale, interlock your finger, stretch down, press down. Okay, one more time. Inhale, interlock your finger, look straight and stay there. Come on, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and exhale. Now toes up, go down, press down, bend the knee, look at your toe and stay there. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and inhale, raise both hands straight and exhale. Now take a feet gap here, join your palm and start rotating your shoulder. Move there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Reverse. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now slowly inhale, raise both hands straight. Exhale, support your back, stretch your core muscles, look up, push the hip forward. Inhale, raise both hands straight. Exhale, bend the knee, toes up, interlock your finger, stretch your back and shoulder. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, stretch your core, look up. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, bend the knee, stretch your back and hip, shoulder, press down. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, look up, stretch your core up and higher. Inhale, take it up and straight. Exhale, slowly take it down, press down and stretch. Now inhale, again here. Interlock your finger, take a hip back and stretch. Arms back here. Now exhale here. Put your left elbow down and take your right hand straight. Look up. Twist. Bend the knee. Inhale. Interlock your finger. Take a hip back and stretch. Look straight. Exhale. Bend your right elbow down. Look into the left hand up and stretch. Inhale. Interlock your finger. Take your arms back and stretch. Exhale. Put your left elbow down. Take your right hand straight. Look up. Inhale. Take your both hands straight. Interlock your finger. Take your arms back and stretch. Exhale. Put your right elbow down. Look into the left hand up and stretch. Okay, last. Inhale. Interlock your finger. Take your arms back and stay there. Keep on. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale. Now exhale here. Toes up, bend the knee, look at your fingers and stay there. Come on. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Sorry. Inhale. Raise your hands up here. And exhale. Now go side to side. Take it up and stretch. Inhale. Take it up here. Exhale, left, up and stretch. Inhale. Exhale, move it to the right. Stretch up and look up. Inhale. Exhale, up and stretch. Inhale. Exhale, go to the right, up and stretch. Feel your side go down without moving your hip. Inhale. Exhale, up and stretch. One more time. Inhale, interlock your finger. And exhale, stay there. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale up here. And exhale, take it to the left and stay there. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale. And exhale, support your waist and start rotating hip. Move there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Reverse. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now slowly inhale, raise your hands up here, and exhale. Now all of you come in front to the mat. Here. Join your palm. Inhale here. Take your arms back here. Exhale, press down. Right leg, take it back here. Inhale, interlock your finger, take your arms back and stretch. Exhale, feet together. Drop your knee, chest down and look straight. Inhale, expand your rib cage. Exhale, press down. Try to touch your forehead on the mat. Open your shoulder and chest muscles. Right leg forward in between your hand. Inhale. Again, take your arms back and stretch. Both hands straight. Exhale, go back your feet together. Drop your knee, chest down, look straight. Inhale up here. Exhale, touch your forehead on the mat. Left leg, inhale, interlock your finger, take your arms back and stretch, open your shoulder. Exhale, feet together. Drop your knee, chest down, look straight. Inhale, feet together, expand your rib cage. Exhale, touch your forehead on the mat, open your shoulder. Now we'll change. Take a right leg forward. Inhale, raise your both hands straight, take it back and stretch. Now twist to the right. Look up, raise your both hands straight. Inhale, take it up here. Exhale. Drop your knee, chest down. Inhale, expand your rib cage. Exhale, press down, lower back straight. Left leg, inhale, take your both hands straight, arms back. Exhale, twist, look up and stretch, both hands straight. Last two. Inhale. And exhale, feet together. Drop your knee, chest down. Inhale, up and stretch. Exhale, touch your forehead down, press down. A right leg forward, inhale, raise the both hands straight, interlock your finger, take your arms back. Twist to the right, both hands straight. Inhale, come up. And exhale, feet together. Drop your knee, chest down. Inhale, expand your rib cage. Exhale, press down and stretch. Left leg, inhale, take it up here. And exhale, twist to the left, both hands straight. Slowly inhale, take it up here. And exhale, okay, now slowly take it down here. Okay. Now see, when we are doing here, there is a lots of movement, because if you want to open your back bend, so you need to stretch also, because when we are doing bending, so it is only contraction to the back. So when you are doing twisting, it helps us to stretch the muscles. Okay, so now we change, take the two block and take the block here straight like this, and the distance between the two block will be less than the shoulder. Okay, for example, my shoulder is still here, so I will take it less more closer. Then take your both elbows on the block, join your palm, here spread a finger, then inhale, look up, both knee and hips should be 90 degrees from the mat, and here join your palm, bend the elbow. Now exhale, follow, first look here, then try little. Exhale, touch your forehead down. Then inhale, will hunch your back. Exhale, touch down. Inhale. Exhale, try everybody. Inhale. Exhale. Last two. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Inhale, contract. And exhale, stretch. Okay. So you have to do this at least 3 sets, and in one set you can try 6 to 7 times. So you can pause my video and you can do more 2 sets of 6 count. Okay. Now next, you can take the chair. If you don't have chair, so like this, you can take another chair, no problem. Then hold it here and your thumbs will be up, both hands straight. Now again, when you're going down, now The distance between the chair and your knee will be according to the flexibility. So first see what I do. I take my body 90 degrees from the knee to the head. Then I just go a little back, make it a cross. Then slowly inhale, look up, and exhale. Then try to touch your forehead on the mat. Press down and stretch. Inhale, see here, hunch your back. Take it up and stretch, look up. And exhale, here, press down and stretch. More push down, stretch down. Touch your forehead on the mat. Inhale, slowly come up. And exhale, press down and stretch. Both hands straight. Push down, press down. Inhale, take it up and stay here. And exhale, press down, stretch down and stay there. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, slowly inhale, take it up here. And exhale, press down here, stretch and hunch your back. Look on the mat and stay there. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, slow relax. So that's all. When you're doing, when you're going to practice any back bend, so before practice your back bend, you can try this warm up. So it will help you to do advanced posture and especially to rotate your shoulder. So whatever we just did, it helps us to make our rib cage more flexible, thoracic, shoulder and upper back. Okay. So if you're new on my channel, so please subscribe if you like it, and do the comment and let me know if you want any more detail about this class or you want any new classes. So you can comment and let me know. And I had uploaded already lots of videos on different topic like split, hip opening, balancing, back bend, hatha yoga, vinyasa yoga, full 1 hour classes also. So you can check on my playlist, and I had given the link on the I button also. You can click there and you can check it there also. And so thank you so much everyone for watching this video. Hope to see you all again in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.